I'm Enya, the Education Officer at Golder Museum, and I'm going to share how to make these tin ornaments from our Festive Family Fun Packs. So these ornaments are a great way to connect with historical Christmas traditions. Dating back to the late 1800s, people celebrating Christmas would make decorations out of dried fruit and scrap materials like fabric, ribbons, and paper. As more households began to purchase packaged consumer goods around the turn of the century, people began to incorporate tin into their decorations, which was especially attractive because of the way it caught and reflected the light. Our packs come with a small pie plate, which is just these meat pie plates that measure about 3 inches across the base. We also provide a push pin and a sheet with different designs you can use as a template. The activity will also require scissors, tape, and a hole punch, and we provide some ribbon. Of course, even if you don't sign up for the pack, you can assemble these materials yourself and give the craft a go. Start by taping the template in place on the flat bottom of the pie plate. Wherever you see a dot, use your push pin to punch holes through the plate. This star pattern that you see is one of the templates provided in the pack, but you can also draw your own design for this. When you're finished, remove the paper. You may notice that the plate begins to cave in a bit from the pressure of pushing. You can fix this by turning it over and massaging the flip side so it goes back into a flat position. Now it's time to decorate with ribbon. Begin by trimming off the edge of the pie plate. Then you can use a hole punch to create places to thread the ribbon. Place 2 holes side by side, using the points of the star as a guide for how far apart each set of holes should be. Do this all the way around the edge of the plate. Once you're done, create a knot at the end of the ribbon and thread it through from the underside of the rim. Pull the ribbon all the way through, then bring it across to the next hole, thread it in, and then out again. Continue in this way all the way around the edge of the pie plate. When you get to the final hole, thread the ribbon through as usual. Then bring it back up through the very first hole that you threaded the ribbon through. Bring it back down through the final hole. Leave enough slack when you do this to create a loop. Then tie off the ribbon with a knot. For another variation on this craft, you can cut out a shape from the base of the pie plate. Here I traced out a star shape, cut it out, then in the same way as the first one, I followed the dotted template with my push pin. To hang the ornament, I punched out a single hole, threaded the ribbon through, and finished it with a bow.